Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the E7 Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at and unbox these E7 Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. Shout out to the people that sent this to me. I will post the Amazon link down below. I believe from the time of the making of this video, this pair of headphones is $39.99 on Amazon right now. So check it out if you guys are interested. I'm always happy to unbox and take a look at, anything Bluetooth related, headphones specifically, or Bluetooth speakers. So big shout out to them for sending this out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. So the front of the box doesn't give you much, but again, in the back says Active Noise Cancelling. And it just has pretty much logos of music. I guess you can answer phone calls with it. And they are over-the-ear headphones, so a lot of people, do like these, and some people hate them. I kind of like them, but I also am not too much of a fan of them, mostly because, my head tends to get hot. I live in the state of Texas, and, I don't need to keep cool. But let's go ahead and take a look here. This is what comes out of the box, and the box is very plain and generic, I'll tell you guys that much. And it looks like the headphones just pop out. Usually when I get headphones and stuff like that, they are like embedded, or like they put them on something. These looks like they just come in a pair of plastic over here on the bottom, but they do actually look kind of high quality. And just picking them up a little bit, they are a little bit heavy, so let's go ahead and readjust the tripod here. It says lifetime warranty, by the way, so that's saying something. So let's take a look here. Lifetime warranty, supports permanent replacement damage. And again, this is the brand right here, called Comalta. So if you look these up on Amazon, which again I'll leave the link in the description below. The company's name is called Comalta. Let's go ahead and peel this off here, just so we can kind of get a better look here. That'll be a nice thumbnail shot, or maybe that, who knows. Looks like you have two buttons on each side though, so or actually I'm not sure if these are buttons at all. This one does click, this one on the other side doesn't. I don't know if it's just there just to match. You do have your plus and minus down here. Let's take a look to see if what we have charging down here. So it does look like it does charge with USB type C. Here's your I want to say your on button. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if that's just like for the warranty purposes, or it's just a random sticker. And it looks like you could actually connect this with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So if you have older devices that you want to connect to, a lot of the times all you have to do is plug this in. I've used headphones like this to plug into like my my PC or whatever, to listen in on live streams, and they work pretty good. But there's no specific no specific branding on here. Oh, hold on, let me fix that up here really quick. And let's take a look at the instructions really quick. It doesn't really look like it comes with much. It just says you can connect to there is the cable that they sent you, so it says you can connect the cable to PC or a phone that has the headphone jack, but obviously these are Bluetooth speakers. And it says Bluetooth pairing, yada yada yada. Smart device should be within 10 meters of the actual thing. So I will sync this up with one of my Bluetooth devices. I will sync it up with my Samsung A54 here, since I haven't really used it much as far as Bluetooth devices. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done, guys. But pretty nice headphones. Here, let me go ahead and get my phone unlocked really quick, and let's see if they turn on really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my, let's see if I can clear out all of my notifications on here. I have a lot of notifications. So let's go ahead and get this sitting up here really quick, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to my Bluetooth connections. Here we go, connections, there we go. I don't know why I always struggle with Samsung devices, but let's go ahead and turn on Bluetooth. And right now there's only one connection that's listed on here on my phone. That's because we have a treadmill. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see if this pops up. So I'm holding down the power button. As you can see here, there is a blue indicator light that shows that it is on. So let's see. Usually once you turn it on, they go into search mode, which is pretty easy to connect to. Right off the bat, though, I can tell you that I don't like the fact that these are swiveling so much. I feel like they're very flimsy. So let's just, while we're waiting for that to pop up, I don't know if these bend or not. Let's see if they do or not. But these do fold. I guess I don't know that, again, if that's supposed to save you room, you know, if you put them somewhere. Let's go ahead and let's hold this down for like 2 seconds just to see what's going on, because again, I'm not seeing anything pop up on the cell phone here. Usually you would see something by now. So, but again, I'm really not too fan of how much these swivel. They are light, but they are also very good, very well padded as well. And again, the padding on the inside here, they're very good. Like, I can tell you that much. Like, they feel very comfortable. And so far, we're not getting anything on the Bluetooth. Let me see if I can hold this down for a few seconds. And I just turned it off. Okay, let's turn it back on. Okay, maybe I lost battery. Hold on, let's try it. Let's try this again. Okay, there you go. You see the light turned on. My Bluetooth is on in the background, guys. It says press the power button to enter into pairing mode, which I already did. Nothing is turning on though. Let's see, pairing mode. Should I refresh the list here? There we go. So it finally popped up. I don't know if you guys can see that now. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna put these on really quick just to see if I hear any type of connection. So right here it does ask me, do I want to pair? Yes, I will. I'll go ahead and pair. Okay, so it looks like hand-free settings are enabled, right? Again, you can use the mic. And I can tell you right now, I have these on. They are noise canceling it to some degree. Like when you're talking to yourself, you can barely hear anything on the outside. Let me get these. Let me get some sort of music connected here, and I'll give you guys my feedback. All right, guys. So I do have the headphones connected and plugged in, and just before I start playing some music and getting hardcore over here, I do want to kind of just tell you guys how these feel, right? So I have pretty big ears, right? So they pretty much fit over the ears. They are extendable, right? So just so you guys know, these headphones do extend. Again, I just don't really care for the swivelness of these, but I guess a lot of companies do this so that you can easily just slide them in to like a pocket of your backpack, which is completely fine. They are comfortable. They're not super heavy, and like I said, they have some sort of like, you know, texturing up here, which is very soft, right? Again, though, I wish that, you know, companies made these where it was like a cooling material, because my ears get hot, and I'm just not a fan of the way that feels after a while. So again, I got some music here on my device. Now, of course, I'm not going to play anything copyrighted for you guys, just so you know. Obviously, so I'll play something in the background that's not copyrighted, right? You know, so that way we can kind of enjoy this here. But you know, definitely, I'll give you my feedback after listening for about like a minute. So let's see how it goes. I'm not sure, but let's check it out. Okay guys, so we are back to normal here, and sorry, I was just messing with my ring light here that I have. It has a strobe feature, and I kind of wanted to mess around with that a little bit. But after using these headphones, right, for a little bit now, I can definitely tell you that that button right there that I told you guys about, that's just a pause button. That's all it does. Your volume rockers do what they are supposed to do, and they just basically let you higher or lower the volume as is. Again, this button on the right earpiece doesn't do anything. It's just kind of there to match up the other side, I guess, which is cool. Nothing too flashy about the headphones. Again, there's really no logos on it or anything, so they're very generic, guys. I'm going to tell you guys that much. Not generic in a bad way, though. They do feel comfortable. They are the quality. Again, I haven't had these headphones for like months and months to tell you like the durability of these devices, but it says they do have a lifetime warranty apparently, right? So if something on these breaks, you can get your money back or get these replaced. But again, they are very hollow and plasticky. They don't feel cheap. I mean, I do like the matte color here on the sides. It makes them look a little bit nicer because they're matte. Not so much piano black. You do have a little bit of piano black on the outer rim there, but it doesn't look too bad. Now, sound. How do they sound? So, I believe the highest that you can go is like 32 decibels, which again, you can get that information on the Amazon site, which I will link in the description below. And they have a very rich tone, right? But at the max sound, I really was expecting more than what I was getting. Now it's not overbearing, is what I mean, right? It's not super loud to the point where like it's hurting your ears. Like I literally cranked this up all the way to max just to kind of get the full features or the full sound of it, right? Because it does sound good. Like you do get a good rich tone from it. One thing that I was kind of shocked in was the bass. The bass sounds really good on these as well. I love the fact that you get like earbuds or again over the ear headphones like this that will have a rich bass when it comes to it. Now, the only thing that, that I really didn't like about these was that there was no specific mode. And by that, I mean, like, there's no sound modes that you can change. That way you can get, like, a higher pitch when it comes to treble or, your bass or kind of like some sort of equalizer, right? If you guys watched one of my last videos, I did a video on another set of headphones, the JLab Studio Pros, which those ones actually do have a feature that allows you. It has like 3 different sound settings, right? One like a balanced, more of a treble, and then like more of a bass, etc., like that, right? So this one doesn't have it, right? This one doesn't have something like that. It really just has whatever comes out of it. And it doesn't sound bad to any stretch of the imagination. I just, as a user, I would like to have more of an option to do that, right? So again, that's just me though, being nitpicky, because sometimes I like to bring down my treble a little, or I like to bring up my treble and equalize it with the bass so that the bass isn't too overwhelming. But again, not that these are bad whatsoever. And again, guys, for $40, it's hard to not go wrong with these. You're not really going to break the bank if you buy these right now. Just keep in mind, though, that, again, I've never heard of this specific brand called Kamalta, right? So, take that with a grain of salt that, you are, again, putting your money into something that you might not be comfortable with when it's easy for somebody to just go to Best Buy and buy a pair of, like, again, JLabs or, Skull Candy earbuds. Those are like more prevalent to in-store, or even going to like Walmart and whatnot, guys. But anyways, these are very simple to use, very simple to sync up as well, very comfortable, like I said. And again, guys, take it with a grain of salt, what I'm saying. But again, for $40, right, I think these are worth it for the $40. Now, again, keep in mind, that's my opinion. That's my personal opinion as a tech reviewer, right? Of course, other tech reviewers might differ from what I'm saying, right? But you never know. Again, it is Amazon. A lot of the times these do go on sale, so you might actually be able to snag these for cheaper, guys. And again, here's the warranty card, right? Again, this does say that, according to the website, it says that there is a lifetime warranty on that, and that you can get all the information back here, right? Need some help choosing operational error, repair, replacement. You can get all that information right here in the box, so you don't have to do much. Of course, even as much as it is that you can do that, you can also do that through Amazon as well, guys. So again, guys, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thank you again for liking the video and subscribing. If you guys like my other content, please check it out. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.